The lesson opener for the first lesson in Big Idea 1 introduces students for the first time to the multiple models that they'll be working with in the guided lesson. So, in this lesson, students are just working on partitioning equal parts using the different models. So we're going to learn how to make models that have equal parts of a whole. And here's a model for one whole. You're going to be discussing the terms whole, equal parts, partitioning. Now, you're going to notice that unlike the other openers, this one has about 8 screens to it. The reason is you're only going to have 2 comments, so you need to move at a perky pace through this opener. Don't spend too much time. As you get through the whole thing, all of the concepts you need to reinforce will be discussed. So here I am. What do we say about this model? And I'm going to be talking about equal parts. I'm going to be talking about the name of this model, that it's a vertical bar model, and how it's different or the same from the previous models. And I'm going to describe it. I'm then going to describe the horizontal bar model. And I'm going to keep moving pretty rapidly so students have experience with all of the different models that they're going to be working with, including the number line. I'm then going to get to the point where they're going to actually create models, and I'm going to talk to them about how to use the scroll bar to make equal parts. And in this case, they're going to make 8 equal parts. And you're going to notice that the teacher eyes are there, and it's going to tell you how to create those parts and what to reinforce with students as you work. As you go through the lesson, again, we're going to use different models, make the equal parts. And as you summarize the lesson, you want to make sure that you tell students you're going to work with many different models. You're going to use scroll bars to make the models. And when we're working with fractions, the parts are equal.